Breaking the spell, understanding idioms in English. Hello and welcome to our latest English learning video. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating idiom, to break a spell. This phrase is not just about magic and wizards, but it has a deeper meaning in everyday English. So, let's dive in and unravel the magic of this expression together. The phrase, to break a spell, is an idiom that means to end a period of unusual, often negative, behavior or situation. Contrary to what it might sound, it doesn't involve actual magic. For example, when someone has been very quiet for a long time and suddenly starts talking, you might say they've broken their spell of silence. It's all about a significant change or interruption in what was previously happening. Understanding where phrases come from can often help us remember them. The idea of breaking a spell comes from old fairy tales and stories where a magical spell is broken, often by a heroic act or a special event. This metaphor has been adapted into everyday language to describe situations where a notable change breaks the continuity of a previous state or behavior. Let's see how this phrase can be used in everyday English. 1. After weeks of rainy weather, the sunny day broke the spell, and everyone seemed happier. 2. His laughter broke the spell of tension in the room. 3. She was so focused on her work, but the phone call broke her spell of concentration. Notice how in each example, the phrase is used to signify an interruption or end to a continuous state. There are other phrases in English that convey similar meanings. For example, to change the course indicates a significant change in direction or action. To turn the tide implies a major reversal, often from a negative to a positive situation. Understanding these similar phrases can enrich your English vocabulary and comprehension. We hope this video has been enlightening in understanding the phrase, to break a spell. Idioms like this add color and depth to the English language, making it more vibrant and expressive. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be casting your own spells with English idioms. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.